Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can add pip to path an environment variable. First, let's check if pip is working or not. So if I type just pip here, as you can see I get this error that says pip is not recognized. Now let's add pip to path so that this error is gone. Now in my case pip is already installed, it is just not added to path. If you don't have pip installed, check the link in the description. I will show you how to install pip. Once pip is installed, to add it to path we first need to know where it is installed, right? So if you have Python, you can just type where where Python, hit enter, and it will show you where your Python is installed or which Python is being used. So you can copy this path, just skip the last python.exe and go to your explorer and go to that path. So this is where Python is installed and our pip will be installed in this scripts. So inside scripts, as you can see, you'll see pip 3.12 and so on. So you need to copy this path and press Windows, type environment variables and click on it. Click on environment variables and double click on this path, and at the bottom here double click and you will be able to type. Just paste it and click OK, OK again, and finally click OK again. Now you can close this, and in this command prompt if I type pip again, as you can see I'll still get this error because it was already open before we added pip to path variable. So I'll close this and open command prompt again, and this time if I type pip, as you can see it is giving me options of all the available options that are available with pip. So yeah, we've added pip to path in environment variable. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.